recently, the Prime Minister has apologized for the COVID-19 losses. Recently, Prime Minister General Prayut Chan-o-cha said sorry over COVID-19 losses and that he is sympathizing with a lot of people suffering from the pandemic and its impacts, while hinting at a possible extension of semi-lockdown measures imposed in 13 provinces in the dark red zone. So let's have a listen to what he had to say.
คือผมก็เพียงแต่พูดว่าผมเห็นใจผมเสียใจนะแล้วผมก็ต้องพยายามแก้ปัญหาอุปสรรคซึ่งมันมีมากมายนะนายกก็ยินดีที่จะทำหน้าที่ให้ดีที่สุดนะตรงนี้แล้วก็มันต้องเป็นความร่วมมือระหว่างกันด้วยข้อมูลด้วยข้อเท็จจริงต่างๆที่มันตรงกันนะจ๊ะเพื่อที่จะแก้ปัญหาได้นายกก็ทำงานไม่เคยทิ้งสักงานนะคงไม่ใช่เรื่องโควิดอย่างเดียวอ่ะแต่โควิดเป็นเรื่องหลักที่ประชาชนเดือดร้อนแต่มันตามอย่างอื่นด้วยนะเรื่องคุณภาพชีวิตเรื่องการต่างประเทศเรื่องเศรษฐกิจเรื่องสังคมเรื่องความสัมพันธ์ระหว่างประเทศเรื่องการลงทุนการค้าการเพิ่มรายได้ประเทศเพิ่ม GDP แผนงานตามยุทธศาสตร์นายกก็ต้องทำทุกเรื่องนะแต่นายกก็ไม่เคยท้อหรอกนะเพียงแต่ว่าเสียใจกับคนที่สูญเสียแล้วก็ให้กำลังใจคนที่ทำงานนะอย่าท้อแท้นะเพราะอันนี้มันคือสิ่งที่เราต้องทำด้วยกันเพราะเราเป็นคนไทยด้วยกันไง
The Prime Minister also said the current semi-lockdown measures imposed in 13 dark red zone provinces, which are due to expire this Monday, are likely to be extended until further notice, as recommended by medical experts. The Prime Minister explained that the medical staff on the CCSA subcommittee see a need to retain the restrictions, as he warned that easing them will not be possible if people do not fully cooperate by observing the measures. He stressed the importance of self-protection to prevent infections among family members by those who venture outdoors for business or for other purposes, noting that if this is strictly observed, the infection rate in families will drop. The Prime Minister admitted that the increasing new COVID-19 infections and fatalities are alarming and give an impression that the overall pandemic situation in Thailand is worsening. However, when comparing the situation with several other countries, he said the situation in Thailand is better, citing the daily recovery rate, which is on the rise, and he maintained that the Thai medical system remains functional but faces staff shortages. He said he has sympathy for the hardworking medics, many of whom have been working for 2 months without a day's break, adding that he has instructed authorities to make sure that they are properly compensated. The Prime Minister admitted that he is seriously concerned about infected people in home isolation who may not have family to take care of them and may have problems communicating with health officials, adding that he has ordered officials to fix this problem and to make sure that these patients are not abandoned. However, he admitted that people in the same community, such as in housing estates, should help their neighbors, noting that under present circumstances, medics are overstretched and understaffed. So mutual assistance among neighbors will be very helpful. Instead of just focusing on the negative aspects of the pandemic, such as infections and fatalities, the Prime Minister said that he is fully supportive of the creation of the blue zones where there are no new infections as initiated in some provinces. And now let's have a look at the COVID-19's figures for today. Thailand recorded 17,345 new cases and 117 more deaths. However, up to 10,600 patients have recovered from the disease, while 192,000 people are still receiving treatment in hospitals.